Today I'm going to talk about the healing tools in both Photoshop and Photopea. In both programs, they have the same options for you to use, and the idea behind the healing tools is to fix part of your picture by merging pixels from other parts of the picture to smooth it out and make it look like it wasn't existent before. So we're going to adjust this picture of a baby, starting with Photoshop. You can find your healing brushes over here, right under your eyedropper tool. You're going to see your spot healing brush, and your patch tool. I'm going to start with the patch tool because I think it's the most effective one to use. I would highly recommend it. So clicking on the patch tool, you're going to circle around the area that you would like to fix. And all you have to do after you circle around it is drag it to a clean area, and it's automatically going to combine pixels from that area that you drag it to with your selection and smooth it out really nicely. It also keeps a little bit of the texture from the area that you grabbed it from, so it doesn't look fake and blurry. Okay, going down our list here, we have our spot healing brush, which if you click and drag over the top of an area, it's going to kind of look like you're coloring or painting it, but when you let go, it's actually pulling the pixels from the area right around the outside of your selection and putting them into that place. It can work, but if you have other items that are around the outside that you're trying to fix and it's not completely smooth, this tool is not going to work really well because you have no say of where the pixels are coming from. The next one down is the healing brush, which gives you a little bit more freedom as far as adjusting and choosing where you want your pixels. So just like your clone stamp tool, if you hold down the Alt button on your keyboard, it gives you that little target where you can choose where you want your pixels to come from. So again, it's Alt, but it's also Option on a MacBook if you're on a MacBook. So I'm going to hold that down, click once, make sure you let go of the Alt key or Option key, and then I can go down to the area I want to fix and just color over the top of it, and it'll merge pixels from that area that I grabbed originally with your new area. But like I said, the patch tool is the one I recommend. I think it is the most effective in both programs. It's really user-friendly, and you get to really customize exactly where those pixels are coming from. If you mess up and you don't like something that you did, I would always go to Edit and Undo. I also would recommend, if you are editing a picture and you're actually editing on the real picture, to make a non-destructive layer. It's something that you'll learn if you ever take a photography class here at Homewood Flossmoor High School, where instead of editing your original picture, you take your layer and you drag it down to the new layer button, so you have two. Edit the one on top, and that way when you are done with your edit, you can hide it and look underneath and see if you like your adjustments. If there's something that didn't turn out right, you can delete that layer and make another layer to try it again. So let's go ahead and do the same thing in Photopea. And this time I will start with making that non-destructive layer so that you can see that process. So I'm going to go to my layers palette here and drag and drop that down to my new layer button. So I now have two. Make sure I'm working on my top layer. I can see that it's selected here. And I'm going to find my healing tools. Again, I have my spot healing, healing brush, and patch. So let's start with the patch tool again. I'm going to circle around the area that I want to fix. Once it's selected, then I can drag and drop it over to a clean area and it will blend those pixels for me. So it works just like Photoshop. Okay, going to our spot healing brush tool. Again, you can just draw right on top of the picture. It looks like you're painting, and it's going to pull pixels from right around the outside of the area that you are fixing. Okay. And our last one, our healing brush tool, remember you have to hold down that Alt key or Option key, just like we did with the clone stamp. Click once. Again, make sure you let go of that Alt key or Option key, and then I can go down to the area that I want to fix, drag over the top of it, and it'll pull pixels from that area that I previously selected. Now you can see that non-destructive layer in play because I have two over here. I can hide my top layer, the one that I adjusted, and see my before and after. And I do like my adjustments. So remember, in order to merge your layers together to make it one picture, I can hold down the Shift key on my computer, hold down both layers, and either right click and go to merge layers, or Control E is a shortcut, Command E on a Mac.